Wooden fences are a great addition to any home. They offer a timeless appeal that blends seamlessly with various architectural styles, from rustic cottages to modern homes. The natural look of wood adds warmth and character to your property, making it feel more inviting and cozy. Whether you live in the city or the countryside, a wooden fence can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. They can provide privacy and security. A well-constructed wooden fence acts as a barrier, keeping unwanted visitors out and ensuring that your family and pets are safe within the confines of your yard. It also offers a sense of seclusion, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without feeling exposed to neighbors or passers-by. This added privacy can be particularly beneficial if you have a pool, hot tub, or simply enjoy spending time in your garden. They can also enhance the look of your property. A beautifully designed wooden fence can serve as a stunning backdrop for your garden, highlighting your plants and flowers. It can also create a defined boundary for your property, giving it a more organized and polished appearance. With the right design, a wooden fence can become a focal point in your landscape, drawing the eye and adding to the overall charm of your home. Building a wooden fence yourself is a rewarding project. Not only does it give you a sense of accomplishment, but it also allows you to customize the fence to your exact specifications. You can choose the type of wood, the height, and the design that best suits your needs and preferences. Plus, building your own fence can be a cost-effective option, saving you money on labor costs. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create a beautiful and functional fence that will stand the test of time. Wooden fences come in many styles. From classic picket fences to more modern horizontal slat designs, there is a wooden fence style to suit every taste. You can opt for a traditional look with a white picket fence or go for a more contemporary design with sleek, clean lines. The versatility of wood allows for endless possibilities, so you can create a fence that perfectly complements your home and landscape. You can choose a style that fits your taste and needs. Consider the purpose of your fence when selecting a style. If privacy is your main concern, a solid panel fence may be the best option. If you want to enhance your garden, a lattice or picket fence can add charm without obstructing the view. Think about the overall look you want to achieve and choose a style that aligns with your vision. You can customize your fence. Personalize your wooden fence with decorative elements such as post caps, finials, or even built-in planters. You can also add gates or arbors to create a grand entrance to your yard. Customizing your fence allows you to express your personal style and make your outdoor space truly unique. Whether you prefer a simple, understated design or something more elaborate, the possibilities are endless. You can paint or stain it to match your home. Painting your wooden fence can give it a fresh, clean look, while staining can enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Choose a color that complements your home's exterior and landscape. Regular painting or staining not only keeps your fence looking great, but also protects it from the elements, extending its lifespan. With a little maintenance, your wooden fence can remain a beautiful feature of your property for years to come. A well-built wooden fence can last for many years. When constructed with quality materials and proper techniques, a wooden fence can withstand the test of time. Regular maintenance, such as sealing, painting, or staining, can help protect the wood from weather damage and pests. By taking good care of your fence, you can ensure that it remains a sturdy and attractive addition to your property for decades. It will need some maintenance. Like any outdoor structure, a wooden fence requires regular upkeep to stay in good condition. This includes cleaning, inspecting for damage, and making necessary repairs. By addressing issues promptly, you can prevent small problems from becoming major ones. Regular maintenance not only keeps your fence looking its best, but also extends its lifespan, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. But it will continue to provide you with beauty and function. A well-maintained wooden fence can enhance your property's curb appeal and provide a functional barrier for privacy and security. It can also increase the value of your home, making it a worthwhile investment. With its timeless beauty and practical benefits, a wooden fence is a valuable addition to any property. Let's get started on building your dream fence. Whether you're looking to add privacy, security, or simply enhance the look of your property, a wooden fence is a great choice. With a variety of styles and customization options, you can create a fence that perfectly suits your needs and tastes. Gather your tools and materials, and let's embark on this rewarding project together. Your dream fence is just a few steps away. Before you start building your fence, you need a plan. Decide on the type of wood you want to use. Popular choices are cedar, redwood, and pressure-treated pine. Each type of wood has its own pros and cons. Next, gather your materials. You will need fence posts, fence panels, concrete mix, gravel, and screws. You will also need some basic tools. These include a post hole digger, a level, a saw, and a drill. Measure the area where you want to build your fence. This will tell you how much material you need. Use stakes and string to mark the fence line. Make sure the string is taut. This will help you create a straight fence line. Use a measuring tape to ensure the posts are evenly spaced. Dig holes for the fence posts. The holes should be about 1/3 the length of the post. They should also be wider than the post. This will allow for the concrete to set properly. Place a few inches of gravel at the bottom of each hole. This will help with drainage. Use a level to make sure the posts are plumb. Section 5. Setting the stage. Placing your fence posts. Pour concrete into the holes to set the posts. Use a level to make sure the posts are plumb. Let the concrete cure for at least 24 hours before attaching the fence panels. Use a string line to ensure the posts are aligned. This will help you create a straight and sturdy fence. Section 6. Panel power. Attaching the fence panels. Attach the fence panels to the posts using screws. Make sure the panels are level and secure. Use galvanized screws to prevent rust. If you are using pre-assembled panels, installation is straightforward. If not, you will need to attach the pickets to the rails individually. Section 7. Common pitfalls. Avoiding fence building mistakes. Building a fence can be a rewarding project, but it's important to avoid common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs or even complete failure of the structure. In this section, we'll cover some of the most frequent errors people make when constructing a fence and how to avoid them. One common mistake is not digging the post holes deep enough. The depth of your post holes is crucial for the stability of your fence. Ideally, post holes should be at least 1/3 the height of the fence. For example, if you're building a 6-foot fence, your post holes should be at least 2 feet deep. This ensures that the posts are anchored securely in the ground and can withstand various weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy rains. This can cause the fence to lean or even fall over. A leaning fence not only looks unsightly, but also poses a safety hazard. Over time, a fence that isn't properly anchored can collapse, potentially causing damage to property or injury to people and pets. To prevent this, always ensure that your post holes are deep enough and that the posts are set firmly in place. Another mistake is not using enough concrete to set the posts. Concrete provides the necessary support to keep the posts upright and stable. When setting your posts, make sure to use enough concrete to fill the hole completely. This will create a solid base that can support the weight of the fence and resist movement. It's also important to allow the concrete to cure properly before attaching the fence panels. Rushing this process can compromise the integrity of the entire structure. Not using treated lumber can lead to rot and decay. Treated lumber is specially designed to resist moisture, insects, and other elements that can cause wood to deteriorate. Using untreated wood for your fence posts and panels can result in premature rotting, which weakens the structure and shortens the lifespan of your fence. Always opt for treated lumber, especially for parts of the fence that will be in direct contact with the ground. Make sure you use the right materials for the job. In addition to treated lumber, consider the type of fencing material that best suits your needs. Whether it's wood, vinyl, metal, or composite, each material has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Research and choose the material that offers the best combination of durability, maintenance, and aesthetic appeal for your specific situation. Finally, not checking local building codes can result in fines or even having to tear down your fence. Local building codes and regulations vary from one area to another, and it's essential to be aware of them before starting your project. These codes may dictate the height, location, and materials allowed for your fence. Failing to comply with these regulations can lead to costly fines and the potential need to dismantle and rebuild your fence. Always check with your local building authority and obtain any necessary permits before beginning construction. Section 8. Long-lasting beauty. Maintaining your wooden fence. Once your fence is built, you need to maintain it. This will help it last for many years. Regularly clean your fence with a garden hose or pressure washer. This will remove dirt and debris. Apply a fresh coat of paint or stain every few years. This will protect the wood from the elements. Check for any signs of damage, such as rot or insect infestation. Section 9. Conclusion. Building your dream fence, one step at a time. Building a wooden fence is a great way to add privacy, security, and beauty to your property. Not only does it serve as a functional barrier, but it also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home. A well-constructed fence can provide a sense of seclusion, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without the prying eyes of neighbors or passers-by. Additionally, it can act as a deterrent to potential intruders, giving you peace of mind. The natural look of wood blends seamlessly with the environment, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your backyard. By following these simple steps, you can build a fence that will last for many years. Start by measuring the area where you want to install the fence. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure that you purchase the right amount of materials and avoid any unnecessary waste. Next, choose high-quality wood that is treated to withstand the elements. This will help prevent rot and extend the life of your fence. Once you have your materials, begin by setting the posts in concrete to provide a sturdy foundation. After the posts are secure, you can start attaching the horizontal rails and then the vertical pickets. Take your time to ensure everything is level and properly aligned. Remember to plan your project carefully, use the right materials, and take your time. A well-thought-out plan will save you time and frustration in the long run. Consider the layout of your yard and any potential obstacles, such as trees or slopes, that may affect the installation. Make sure to check local building codes and obtain any necessary permits before you begin. When selecting materials, opt for weather-resistant wood and high-quality hardware to ensure durability. Take the time to properly prepare the site by clearing any debris and leveling the ground. This will make the installation process smoother and result in a more professional-looking fence. With a little effort, you can enjoy the satisfaction of building your own fence. The process may seem daunting at first, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it achievable for even novice DIYers. As you work on your fence, you'll gain valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about completing a project with your own hands. Not only will you have a beautiful new fence, but you'll also have the pride of knowing you built it yourself. Take the time to appreciate each stage of the process, from the initial planning to the final touches. Get started today and create the perfect enclosure for your home. Whether you're looking to increase privacy, enhance security, or simply add a decorative element to your yard, a wooden fence is a versatile and timeless choice. Gather your tools, purchase your materials, and set aside some time to dedicate to this project. As you see your fence take shape, you'll be motivated to keep going. Before you know it, you'll have a stunning new addition to your property that you can enjoy for years to come. So don't wait any longer. Embark on your fence building journey today and transform your outdoor space into a private oasis.